Today we're embarking on an unforgettable journey along Jamaica's A3 Road. This scenic route meanders north from the captivating Stoney Hill in St. Andrew, then gracefully winds westward through the rugged mountains, passing through Orakabasa, and finally reaching its destination at the A1 in Monique. Along the way, indulge in the breathtaking vistas, winding roads that promises adventure at every turn. So why not grab your favorite Jamaican snack as you soak in the tranquil beauty as we pass by Castleton, home to one of Jamaica's botanical gardens. Get ready to experience a drive of the A3 Road like never before. Are you enjoying the drive? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Planning to hit the roads in Jamaica? Check out these top 10 safety tips for a smooth journey. Embrace the island vibes and remember to drive on the left side of the road. Buckle up. It's not just a rule, it's a smart move, even for passengers. Navigate roundabouts with ease by yielding to traffic on the right. While the North Coastal Road has seen some upgrades, be prepared for some rough patches and tricky signage. Take it slow and steady on smaller roads. They can be unpaved, narrow, and winding. Give a friendly beep on mountain roads to alert others when you're approaching a bend. Keep your eyes peeled for pedestrians and wandering animals along the way. Heads up! Oncoming vehicles flashing their lights might signal speed checks ahead. Park smart by choosing well-lit spots where you can keep an eye on your ride, ideally in a designated parking lot. Safeguard your belongings by stashing valuables in the trunk and always locking up your car tight. Ever wondered how long it takes to circle the entire island of Jamaica? Get ready for a road trip adventure. Driving around the island typically takes between 14 to 16 hours, covering approximately 398 miles using the main roads like A1, A2, A3, and A4. These roads mostly hug the coastline, offering breathtaking views along the way. The only exception is the stretch between Kingston and Black River on the south coast, where the road ventures more inland. So, buckle up, and let's explore every corner of this beautiful island. Let me know in the comments what roads to take next. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Jamaica's road network. These roads are more than just routes. They're a coded network waiting to be explored. Primary roads are the A-listers, marked with the letter A, while secondary roads play the supporting role with a B. The highways, on the other hand, are the latest additions to the scene, labeled with a T for toll. With 4 primary A roads and 15 secondary B roads, it's a network meticulously maintained by the National Works Agency. But here are the real showstoppers. The toll highways, built in phases like the east-west leg, T1, and the Portmore Causeway, T2. And let's not forget the north-south leg, T3. While the main roads get the spotlight, local parishes add their own unique touch with parochial and unclassified roads. It's a road network with layers of intrigue, waiting for you to hit the pavement and uncover Jamaica's secrets. Ready for more thrilling content? Explore my channel and dive into a world of excitement with my other videos and playlists. get ready for a journey through Jamaica's main roads. The A1 is your ticket from Kingston to Negril, snaking its way via Montego Bay. Starting in Kingston, it ventures north at Spanish Town, conquering the John Crow Mountains en route to Ocho Rios. Then, it's a scenic westward trek along the north coast to Montego Bay before reaching its finale in Negril, where it merges with the A2. Speaking of the A2, it's your connection from Negril back to Kingston, but with a southern twist. Beginning just outside Kingston, in Spanish Town, it branches off from the A1, meandering through May Pen, Mandeville, Black River, and Savannah, Lamar. Unlike the coastal A1, the majority of the A2's journey is inland, with only a stretch from Black River to Negril skimming the coastline. Last but not least, let's talk about the A4. This road is your eastbound adventure from Kingston, tracing the stunning coastline through St. Thomas and Portland. Although it's a scenic route, be prepared for a bit of a rough ride. The A4 is the least maintained of the 4 primary roads, but the views are worth it, as you'll discover during the over 4-hour journey along its 46-mile stretch. Get ready to rev up your engines with the T1, T2, and T3 highways. T1 is your ticket to adventure, stretching all the way from Kingston to May Pen, with a handy connection through to Spanish Town. Keep an eye out for toll plazas along the way, strategically placed at Spanish Town and May Pen. Now, let's shift our focus to the T2 leg, famously known as the Portmore Causeway, where the adventure begins on Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston and reaches its peak at Dyke Road in Portmore. But hold on to your seats because the excitement doesn't stop there. The journey continues northward, seamlessly connecting the causeway with T1 along the vibrant outskirts of the Portmore area. And saving the best for last, we've got T3, the shining gem of the Highway 2000 project. This remarkable stretch of road links Kingston to Ocho Rios, unlocking a plethora of opportunities. Now, you can jet into Montego Bay's Sangster International Airport or Kingston's Norman Manley International Airport, both with comparable travel times to the lively Ocho Rios. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an epic adventure along Jamaica's highways. Let's take a thrilling tour of Jamaica's B roads, each offering its own unique adventure. B1, buckle up for a breathtaking drive from Pepin to Buff Bay, weaving through the majestic Blue Mountains. This scenic route passes by Gordon Town, Newcastle, Hardware Gap, and Hollywell, offering unparalleled views along the way. B2, get ready to explore from Bog Walk to Whitehall, crossing through picturesque St. Mary. This journey takes you through Troja, Richmond, and Highgate before meeting up with the A3. B3, experience the beauty of Clarendon as you journey from Maypen to Runaway Bay, passing through stunning mountain landscapes. B4, embark on a westward adventure from Trout Hall to Manchester, tracing the Rio Minho River. This road splits near Spalding, with one path leading to Segburn and the other to Walderston, where it merges with the B5 before ending near the A2 just west of Porus. B5, discover the wonders of Manchester as you travel from Williamsville to Rio Bueno, skirting the edge of the cockpit country and winding through scenic mountain ranges. B6, prepare for a breathtaking drive through Manchester, St. Elizabeth, and St. James. This route takes you past the Appleton Rum Estates, Wyas Falls, and into the heart of St. James before ending near Montego Bay. B7, experience the beauty of St. Elizabeth and Hanover as you journey from Baptist to St. James, passing through picturesque mountain landscapes and charming towns along the way. B8, hit the road from Montego Bay to Savannah Lamar, traversing through the mountains of Hanover and St. James before ending near Long Hill. B9, take a scenic drive from Savannah Lamar to Lucy, winding through the mountains of Hanover and enjoying breathtaking views along the way. B10, explore the unique terrain of the cockpit country as you travel from Duncan's to Balaclava, with the road becoming narrower as you venture deeper into the countryside. B11, journey from Glistening Water Marina to Golden Grove, passing through the interior of the island and visiting towns like Brownstown along the way. B12, experience the beauty of St. Catherine, Clarendon, and Manchester as you travel from Freetown to Tollgate, meandering through picturesque landscapes and charming villages. The B13 Road. Take a scenic drive from Linstead to Oricabessa, passing through historic towns while enjoying breathtaking views of the island's coastline. The B13 Road in Jamaica spans approximately 49 miles from Linstead to Oricabessa, where it ends at the A3 highway. The B15, a 23-mile scenic route that takes you from the vibrant shores of Montego Bay to the charming town of Falmouth. As you travel inland, the road winds its way due east from Montego Bay to Wakefield, before turning northeast toward the historic town of Falmouth. Get ready to soak in the breathtaking views and discover the hidden gems along this picturesque drive. As I wrap up my thrilling journey along Jamaica's A3 Road, I hope you've savored every moment of the stunning landscapes and vibrant sights this route has to offer. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and our travels on Jamaica's roads embody the essence of this timeless wisdom. Before I bid adieu, I'm eager to hear from you. What's your most cherished memory or unforgettable experience from driving along Jamaica's A3 Road? Share your adventures in the comments below. Thank you for accompanying me on this unforgettable adventure. If you've relished the journey, don't hesitate to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more captivating content. Until my next escapade, happy trails and safe travels.